Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I am back to plan in my PR and social media planner, which is a DIY planner. It is half letter size with Happy Planner disc and a cover by Tool. And I use printable planner inserts that are available to Scrapcraftastic patron elites. I have the December inserts that I will be adding. This is what they look like. All I did was just cut this in half. It's half letter, and you get the title page, dot grid to do it whatever you want, the monthly calendar, and then the weeks. And this is the vertical version. It also comes in a horizontal version. Then you get the last two pages. Some months there is no dot grid, some months there is. It just depends on how many weeks are in that month. And this, I could have just folded it in half and stapled it and used it as a traveler's notebook insert. It comes in a variety of sizes, which I will list here. And those are available each month. Okay, we're still in November. This is where we are. Loving the purple. Need to fill some things in. So for the week of the, let's take this out. For the week of the 20th through the 26th, which is the week of Thanksgiving. Let's set this aside. I am going to use possibly these printable stickers from I Love to Print, which is on Etsy. This is what they look like. And this sheet, printable from Poly Plans, also on Etsy. And then I have some leftovers. This is a real leftover because it's just a quote. This is a doll from Let's Get Plan. All of these are from Let's Get Plan. And I do have a discount code for Let's Get Plan. It will be linked in the description box below, or listed in the description box below with the link. How's that? Okay. I also have this washi tape from Simply Gilded. I don't know. I'm on a brown and teal kick. So I'm going to try and use that. And I thought it went well with this. I'm going to use the washies that came with this kit to start. Should I try to go? Nope, it's not going to go all the way across there. So let's put it inside the box. I'll also link to the sticker paper that I use in the description box below if you are interested in printing your own stickers. I recently posted about the HP printer that I picked up from Target. It's on the community tab. And I use the HP Instant Ink because I print so much. I think it's a great deal because the ink is what really costs as far as printers. Printers are fairly inexpensive, but the ink a lot of times costs more than the printer. So that's a win, I think, to use HP Instant Ink. Now, do I want to weigh down my page a little bit more with this washi tape? It's a holiday week, so let's go for it. I don't know how that's going to look, but I was thinking of doing something like that. Nope. But maybe I can do this. I don't like to cover my punches after I've already punched. But let's see if we can make this work. And then let's do this. Maybe I won't have to punch it. I don't know if that's going to look good, but I'm going to try it. So I'm basically making myself a footer sticker, but using washi tape to do it. And I'm pulling in that teal color with the washi tape. Let's do this here. And then do this here since I don't have the actual pumpkin washi that I use at the bottom. Can use this up here. Or pumpkin faux washi. So there's that. Now I definitely have to use this. You know what? I was thinking maybe I can just use this on the inside. I think that's better. Instead of putting it on the very edge of the paper, let's border the box. Should we bring it down here? Or do we want to bring it up here? It's not going to give me much room on Sunday, but since this is PR and social media, I don't think that's going to be a big deal. Can always put a box over it. Let's put some washi up top. What do we have to work with in the kits? Nothing, so I'm going to pull from my own washi. I think I'm going to go with the teal blue again. Okay, let's add same over here. So I want this to go under that. All right. That one bit of washi is a little out of place, but can't be helped. I like this turkey. Before I get into him, let me put this down. This is like Thanksgiving dinner. So I may not be using too much from there. I'm definitely going to use this pumpkin. I have been pulling it up and putting it back and admiring it for long enough. It's time to use it. Let's put down a box. So these are basic boxes available to Scrapcraftastic patrons. I think I'm going to use that one. I'm going to use that here or up here. And then I need something more orangey. Now let's use the pumpkin. And the doll, taking up a lot of space. Finished another sheet. This doesn't really give Thanksgiving vibes, but I think I'm going to use it anyway. No, I don't want to cover that up. Let's do it like this. And then over here, oh, should have probably put this behind her. Let's do that. It would be great if I would think of these things before I put the stickers down. But I guess I kind of got to get an idea. And I could use wax paper and do the whole spread in advance, but I don't know. That's just not how I do things. Let's see. I'm going to use the Give Thanks sticker from Holidays and Occasions, available to Scrapcraftastic patrons. And how am I going to incorporate that? Let's use this over here. Let's see, can I use these day of the week stickers and cover what I got? Wednesday's always the problem because it's the longest one. Yep, it's trying to hit the punch, but I'm going to use it anyway. Let's try this here. All right, I got some leftover pieces that I can add. I think that helped improve it some. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. I am really loving these browns and oranges with that teal color. I think it just really makes the spread pop. I didn't put any boxes over here. I do need some, I think. Do I want to pull off that sweater weather? I think I just want to use the sweater weather part. I don't want to use my favorite part of the year. So I'm just going to cut off the sweater weather part and save the other piece for something else. Because I could always use my favorite time of year is and then put a holiday or something. Right? Right. I think that's what I'm going to do. Let's pop this back in. Ooh, looking good. I like it. Let me make sure everything is pressed down well. There we go. That is the spread for Thanksgiving, the 20th through the 26th in my PR and social media planner. The inserts and boxes are available to Scrapcraftastic Patron Elites. And I use stickers from Polyplans. I love to print. The doll is from Let's Get Planned. So is the blue pumpkin. And the washi tape is from Simply Gilded. I think that's everything. So let me know what you think in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And you may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.